Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through some of the assumptions about me that you guys left on Instagram. And I tried to make this video a while back and asked you guys. I got a bunch of responses, and of course I deleted them because I thought, okay, I don't feel like filming this video. Lucky for you guys, I decided to do it again. So let's just get started with this. First assumption is that you have veneers, in parentheses, but really your teeth are bomb. Thank you so much. Do you guys even want to know the story about this? Okay, so I don't have veneers, first of all. Actually, when I was 16, my first job was a cashier at Target, and I wanted braces so bad. Honestly, I thought braces were the cutest thing ever. I thought they were so adorable. Every time I saw a girl with braces, I was like, I want that so bad. Because I also wanted straight teeth. I had like the teeth coming in like at the top of the gums, which was like, oh my God, I thought of myself as a little kid, and I was like, I cannot get married one day if my teeth look like this. That's just me. Back to Target. I got a job because I wanted braces so bad and my family couldn't afford it. So I literally looked up an orthodontist in the phone book and found one that was close by that we could ride the bus to, because my family also didn't have a car. And my mom took me to the consultation. I got my braces on and they were $3,495. I paid off every cent of those braces with my cashier job from Target, and I am so glad I did that. But the only drawback is that I had braces during my freshman year of college because I did skip some of the payments a few times, so I had to keep them on a little bit longer, which now looking back, like, who cares, whatever, my teeth are straight and I'm very happy with them. And sometimes I do find myself looking at girls like with veneers and thinking, oh my God, I want your teeth, and people are always like, oh, but your teeth look so perfect. And it's one of those things where you don't see yourself as the world sees you. So I don't know, I'm just gonna try to be thankful, and I'm just like happy that I went through that when I was that young and I got that job as a cashier so I could pay for my braces, because it's probably the best thing I did. The next one that came in says, you care too much about being trendy compared to what actually makes you happy. And I'm not even gonna lie, I used to, it's not even that I cared too much about what was trendy rather than what made me happy. I didn't know what made me happy, so I was just doing things that I saw other people doing. So it's kind of like you have to figure out yourself and find out who you are and what you actually do like, because I didn't know. Like, I wasn't sure. It's all about exploring and figuring it out. And the thing is, now I look at teenagers or people that I see around, and I see them and their group of friends, and they're all wearing like the same outfit, the Adidas, the jeans, and just, it's just so interesting to me to look at that and think how badly I wanted that, because now I don't want that at all. I honestly just want to wear stuff that and like do things that I find enjoyable, because this is my life and I really want to make the most of it. Like, I want to enjoy it. I want to do things that I enjoy, have fun, and just figure out who I actually am as a person. You know, you want to figure that out. And I think everyone kind of goes through that phase where they care too much about what people think, and trust me, I thought it was never going to end. My sister's going through that phase right now, and I told her yesterday, I was like, dude, okay, don't worry, I went through this, like, you'll be fine, like, give it a couple years. I just filmed an Insta story asking for more assumptions right before I filmed this video, and one came in that says, you are self-employed. Hold on. I also asked what you guys wanted to see from me, because I did delete that whole other folder of assumptions because I thought I wasn't going to do this video, but I thought it'd be a good video to do just to kind of update you guys. And luckily someone asked for a life update. So where I'm at right now, you guys saw the last video I posted was like, I don't know, I think it was 2 years ago. Wait, no, it was not 2 years ago, it was like a year ago. Hold on, let me go check. Okay, the last video I posted was a year ago, and it was eyebrow hacks everyone should know. Okay, so I guess you guys are wondering about a life update from there to when I posted my empty apartment tour 3 months ago. I did a lot in that time. I've been living in Philadelphia, still taking care of Beckham, running his Instagram, you know, being a perfect stage mom, all that kind of stuff. And I had a job at a spa, which I really, really liked. I liked talking about skincare. I like getting discounts on skincare products. That was amazing. And I quit that spa. Then I went to Paris, and my sister and I went. It was like a birthday trip for her. Then after that, I decided I needed to have a corporate job, and so I went looking for a regular job because I thought that's what I wanted. I thought I wanted to be like a normal person and just doing the normal 9 to 5 and all that kind of stuff. So I was like just struggling and not sure what to do. I moved into this apartment 3 months ago. I live near the dog park, so it's perfect for Beckham, and it's just, I don't know, I just wanted to live on my own and just have my own space, and the guy gave me a good deal, so I decided to move. It wasn't planned, but that was sort of the time when I got this like corporate job. And coincidentally, this is my first day off from that job. Like, I just quit Friday. Well, I quit before that, but like Friday was my last day, and it's now Monday. So today I would have been at work, and you have no idea how much better it is working for yourself. And it was just, I had to see that side. I fully intended to stay at that job, and I thought, okay, great, like let me just try and just embrace this whole thing. And I tried, and it's just not for me. I don't know what it is. I thought, you know, okay, Tana, like just do this. It's, you know, this is what people do. It's like everyone's like this. And I'm not. Like, I just don't want that life. But what's good is now I have that perspective. I have done that. I have tried out the corporate life for a little bit. I realized it wasn't for me, so that gives me so much more motivation and so much more like appreciation for what I get to do here in my own house. Like, I get to wake up and get ready and film a video. Before, I wasn't like, you know, you kind of like get into like, oh, I have to film videos today, and that's when it becomes like, you don't want to do it anymore. And that's kind of how it was, which is one of the reasons why I stopped doing YouTube in the first place. But now it's just, I feel like, wow, like I get to do this. I built this thing up to where I can do this now, and I don't have to go to a 9-to-5 job, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not for me. So I'm also editing. It takes off some of the pressure from me because I don't have to rely on my channel as my only source of income, which was another stressor of why I stopped. So I hope that answers your question on life update, or like your need to see a video from me for a life update. I guess the life update and self-employed thing kind of goes hand in hand. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I was gone for a little while, so who knows what happened with this YouTube algorithm and all this kind of stuff. But I am gonna go right now because I actually have to go upload a video for one of the people that I edit for. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Please leave me comments down below letting me know what you guys actually want to see from me. I'm not super into like DIYs anymore, so please don't ask me to do that, but you can ask me to do whatever, and I'll try to do that for you guys. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And then I need you to come take pictures.
Yeah.
Some still.